boondock exploring. If it looks good, I'll stay. If it doesn't, I'll go. We're headed right down towards Bonneville Salt Flats. And I chose this part to go down because I see there's nothing commercial around here. Yeah, I'm having fun exploring the world. All these little roads, and paths, and trails. Oh, looks like there's a old connector road here. I can hear my Geiger counter beeping. It's reading 5 counts per minute background, gamma. Way out in the desert, on the outskirts of Bonneville Salt Flats. And the thunder gods are with me again tonight. Way off the highway, down in the bottom of this, well, it's not even the bottom. I'm still going down. Finally, after about 4 miles, I said, hey, you know what? I'm just going to park it for the night, unload the bike, and go explore and see what's going on out here. I mean, all it is scrub brush, as you can see. Right out in the middle of it. I'm at the intersection of 2 4-wheel drive roads that don't look like they've been traveled in a long time. So I'm parked right in the middle of the road, right in the middle of it. You watch, somebody's going to come along tomorrow and go, hey, what are you doing there? But they can go around. It's really easy. The reason I parked where I'm parked is it's a level spot and I didn't have to mess around. Oh, we're getting some little lightning action going here. So tomorrow I'm going to fire up the KTM and I'm going to head out just off in that direction somewhere out there. You know, that looks like it's, you know, half a mile from here. I bet you it's longer than that. I want to go way out to the actual Bonneville Salt, the edge where the scrub brush fizzles out and it turns into salt. Let me see if we get a little more lightning and thunder going here. The only rocks out here that I see. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to be able to find my way back to this spot if possible. Or I can see my camper way back there up on the ledge. They do a little X-Reno there, so I kind of know where I'm at. I'll be able to find my way out of here. I see my camper now, but I lost my trail back there a little bit. Oh, here we go. Trail somewhere here. Here, trail. Well, let's see. Where's that camper at again? Okay, here's trail right here.